Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Toffee. Today I am going to show you how to install Ubuntu in Oracle VirtualBox. For this, what we have to do is we have to download Ubuntu ISO image from its official site. So it's a free and open source. So go to Ubuntu's official site. I will add the download link in the description of the video. Now the latest version is Ubuntu 18.04.1 LTS. Click on download and it will start downloading the ISO image for the Ubuntu installation. Once the installation completes, what we have to do is we have to open the Oracle VirtualBox. For this, if you installed on your default location, just go to that, go to C drive, program files, Oracle VirtualBox, virtualbox.exe, and it will start the Oracle VirtualBox. Now here go to machine, click on new, and here give the name. I am giving Ubuntu Tech, and give the location where you want to store the Ubuntu. So I'm creating a new folder here, VMs, and I'm storing it here. Select folder. So it will install Ubuntu Linux 64-bit. Click on next. Give 2 GB of RAM, since you can see here that at least 2 GB of system memory it requires, 25 GB of free hard disk space it requires. So we will use these things. So giving 2 GB of RAM here. Click on next. Click on create a virtual hard disk now. Click on create. Using the virtual disk image, click on next. Click on fix size, since we don't want to increase their size dynamically. Click on next. Now it will ask how much size you want, so just we'll give here 25 GB. Click on create. So it will start creating 25, it will start allocating 25 GB of space. So for this, what you can do is you can go to your PC and you can see here that 198 GB is, so I use D drive. So if you refresh it, it will start decreasing. So 197 GB, 196 GB it will come. So it's allocating 25 GB of this D drive to the Ubuntu system. So once it's complete, so we are ready to install Ubuntu in our system. So we already allocated the space. Now what you have to do is you have to click on this Ubuntu tech that we created just now. Click on machine. Now click on settings. Once the setting opens, just click on storage. Click on this controller ID. Here we have to select the ISO image that we downloaded. Click on this and select the ISO image. And click OK. Once you do that, just double click on Ubuntu Tech again. So it will open a window like this and it will start booting the Ubuntu ISO image in the VM just we created. Just full screen it. So once the loading completes, it will ask you to either try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. So try Ubuntu means every time you need ISO to run Ubuntu, and it will always take time to load. But if you install it in the allocated space that we allocated as 25 GB, it will use that without using any ISO file. So we'll install Ubuntu. Now we'll select the keyboard layout, English US. Just click on continue. Now it will ask you to what type of installation you want to do. Do normal installation if you want the softwares also, and uncheck this checkbox because you can download updates later. And if you want to install updates with the installation, just check this. So just click on continue. Now it will ask you to erase the disk and install Ubuntu. So this is the option that we are going to choose because we created a new hard disk of 25 GB which has nothing. So just click on install now and it will start installing Ubuntu in your virtual machine. It will give you a warning, just click on continue. Now it will ask you for the location, click continue by selecting the current location. Now your name, I am entering the name as tech coffee. So it will pick the same thing as your username. You can change if you want. Choose a password. I'll picking a password, a small password say, and requires my password to log in. Check this option and continue. So it will start copying new files. It will take some time to install. Once the installation completes, it will say installation is complete. You need to restart. Click on restart now, and will start restarting the virtual machine. Now it will say that remove the installation medium, then press enter. For this, go to machine settings, go to storage, and see that the controller ID should be empty. So it's empty for us, so it's automatically uh, remove the installation medium. Then click on Ubuntu and press enter. It will again restart the machine. Now it will show you the username that you entered. Click on it and it will ask for the password. Enter the password and click on sign in. So, so this shows that the Ubuntu is installed in your VM. So it will show some tips and what's new in this Ubuntu 18.0. Click on next, next, and done. So now you can like open terminal and do anything you want. Thank you everyone.